Modern maintenance operations require many separate precision measurements to be taken, often transcribed from paper to a computer web-based application. FTL's DADTMA removes the need for data transcription by automating data capture, allowing a maintenance artisan or technician to pictorially capture data right by or on the asset. DADTMA collects and stores asset condition data through the use of a digital twin architecture. Analyzing and displaying damage and historical repair information is made simple by using an intuitive graphical user interface. DADTMA works in virtually all asset maintenance and sustainment applications since it is agnostic with respect to data collection method, relevant maintenance events, and damage occurrences. Therefore, the system is easily tailored to multiple platforms, services, and users. DADTMA consists of two applications. The tablet app allows for handheld electronic data capture and analysis anywhere, ensuring successful transfer between settings. Documented procedures, 3D models, and figures are displayed on the tablet to guide the data capture process, showing the user the exact location on the asset and all required information associated with this area of interest. The user can add findings against any aspect of the digital twin for data collection and tracking of inspection issues. Pictures can be taken and annotated within findings to help capture and document issues right at the source. Grids can be added over pictures to help with a variety of data capture and engineering analysis tasks such as corrosion blend-out depth profiling. To aid in whole-size location inspections, DADTMA provides multiple tools that allow the user to manipulate pictures and automate the creation of data tables that are registered to specific locations in an image. Electronic data collection tools such as a micrometer and calipers with USB or other serial data links provide automated data capture to aid in precision measurements such as hole diameter or corrosion blend-out depth. On the PC, maintainers can create inspection templates for various assets and processes by importing data from current electronic tech manuals and other instructions, adding information needed to guide maintenance and inspections. DADTMA's search features and relational database architecture provides easy navigation through the digital twin, enabling multi-user simultaneous data access, quick queries across assets, and automatic associations with other likely defects in both the present and future of specific assets within the fleet. FTL's DADTMA, ingenious solutions.